We can't let them get away! That won't hold for long. We still need to find a way up there.
Anyone got a big ladder? This is a new approach for me. This is way too much, I'm sorry.
We've gone up to space. This should be easy, right?
Yet me phone ditched us again before he could give us parts. But at least he gave us a challenge this time. Worst of both worlds.
Sorry, I drink when I'm oppressed. Which we are. Oh, we are.
Hey, test tube. Maybe we can...
What?
Your secret lab. I meant your secret lab.
Holly gosh golly Mike. I wish this was under better circumstances. You did it. You all did it. The secret is out and in your hearts. Take everything you want. Whatever Mike hasn't already stolen.
Oh, that laboratory.
That's it. We got our parts right here.
The National Weather Service in Amarillo has issued a tornado warning for Smith County in the Panhandle of Texas, Armstrong County in the Panhandle of Texas, Hutchinson County in the Panhandle of Texas, Hunsford County in the Panhandle of Texas, Potter County in the Panhandle of Texas, Moore County in the Panhandle of Texas, Lipscomb County in the Panhandle of Texas, Donley County in the Panhandle of Texas, Gray County in the Panhandle of Texas, Hemphill County in the Panhandle of Texas, Carson County in the Panhandle of Texas, Wheeler County in the Panhandle of Texas, Roberts County in the Panhandle of Texas, Sherman County in the Panhandle of Texas, Delaware County in the Panhandle of Texas, Ochiltree County in the Panhandle of Texas, Texas County in the Panhandle of Oklahoma, Randall County in the Panhandle of Texas, Oldham County in the Panhandle of Texas, Hartley County in the Panhandle of Texas, Collingsworth County in the Panhandle of Texas, Cimarron County in the Panhandle of Oklahoma, Beaver County in the Panhandle of Oklahoma, until 7:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time / 5:45 p.m. Mountain Standard Time. At 6:33 p.m. Central Daylight Time / 4:33 p.m. Mountain Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located 715 miles southwest of Hereford, or 757 miles southwest of Amarillo, moving northeast at 85 miles per hour. Hazard: tornado. Source: radar indicated rotation. Impact: flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This tornadic thunderstorm will remain over mainly rural areas of Smith, Armstrong, Hutchinson, Hunsford, Potter, Moore, Lipscomb, Donley, Gray, Hemphill, Carson, Wheeler, Roberts, Sherman, Dallam, Ochiltree, Texas, Randall, Oldham, Hartley, Collingsworth, Cimarron, and Beaver counties, including the following locations: Guyman, Hooker, Beaver, Goodwell, Boise City, Amarillo, Pampa, Hereford, Dumas, Canyon, Borger, Perryton, Deviartart, Spearman, Cactus, Canadian, Panhandle, Wellington, Stratford, Fritch, Shamrock, Clarendon, Sunray, Stinnett, Wheeler, Brooker, Bushland, Plottencruver. Precautionary / preparedness actions: take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.
So why should we have to be scared? I made up my mind if you'll join me.
Join you in what, sir?
Forgetting. Cobbs, the show, remove whatever we want from our systems. Put it behind us. Make a few new gems.
Is that not exactly what he wants? To forget? Comply? Forfeit our greatest weapon? Sir, these contestants and Toilet have always had your back. If we work together, trust each other, it will be our best chance of survival.
Trust.
Sir?
Why'd you let Marshmallow leave me, Pad? Yeah, thought I didn't know about that. There's no way you wouldn't have noticed. So don't lecture me about trust. I've tried trusting. Doesn't exactly work out.
Then, I suppose, what am I doing here?
Hey, You holding up okay?
I thought I would be. I figured